We'll guide you through how to open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Once you're in, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see an option named Terminal. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select New Terminal. This action will open up the integrated terminal at the bottom of your VS Code window. It's really that simple. Now, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for speed, you can also press Ctrl and the backtick key simultaneously on Windows or Linux, or Command and backtick on a Mac. This shortcut is a quick way to toggle the terminal on and off without needing to navigate through the menu. Once your terminal is open, you can start running your commands right away. If you ever need to switch between different terminal sessions, there are tabs located at the top of the terminal panel. You can click the plus icon to open a new terminal session, or use the drop-down arrow to switch between them if you have multiple sessions running. This feature is especially useful if you're working on different projects or need to run commands in different environments. You can also customize your terminal by clicking on the gear icon next to the tabs, which gives you options to change the default shell or even adjust the font size. This flexibility allows you to tailor your experience to match your workflow preferences. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.